How is it possible to blend a couple of sounds together to form a complete new word? Let me explain. Look at the sound very carefully. Sound out and listen to the sound. The sounds that you see and the sounds that you hear will blend together in your brain. Your brain is very clever, more clever than any computer. So your brain can put together any sounds to form new words. This is Rabbit. He loves to eat thick orange carrots. Rabbit jumps around collecting that big carrot. He will also teach us how to put together sounds to form words. Let's look at Rabbit. De, a, Well done, Rabbit. You've collected one juicy carrot. And now we know that these 3 letters form one word. Damn. Let's look and learn how Rabbit does that. De, o, g. Put the sounds together and now you have one new word. Dog. B, e, d. Catch all the sounds, Rabbit? Bed. Good for you. B, e, g. Thank you, Rabbit. That looks delicious. A brand new word, bug. Now you will be able to sound out and read any new word. Let's try it. The fat tummy of the D sound points to the left. Blue for left. And the tummy of the B sound points to the right. Red for right. Let's read the D and B nonsense words. Da, de, di, do, de, dad, dead, dead, dod, dud, Ba, be, bi, bo, b, bab, bib, bib, bob, bub. It sounded a little bit funny, don't you think? Let's try to read real words. Sound out and read. D-A-M, dam. D-E-N, den. D-E-G, dig. D-O-G, dog. D-E-L, dull. D-A-N, dan. D-E-L, del. D-I-P, dip. D-O-T, dot. D-E-G, dug. B-A-T, bet. B-E-D, bed. B-I-G, big. B-O-X, box. B-E-G, bug. B-A-D, bad. B-E-G, big. B-I-N, bin. B-O-S, boss. B-E-N, bun. Ready to read sentences? I'm sure you are. We're going to read the sentences very slowly so that you can get used to reading word for word. Let's read the D sentences. This is a dam. This is a big dam. There is my den. There is my safe den. He loves to dig. He loves to dig in the ground. That is my dog. That is my cute dog. The plant looks dull. The dry plant looks dull. Let's read the B sentences. It is a bad idea. It is a very bad idea. That is my bed. That is my big bed. The bin smells bad. The dirty bin smells bad. Put that in your box. Put that in your blue box. I love to eat a bun. I love to eat a brown bun. You are doing very good. You will always remember the B and the D sound. D points to the left and B points to the right.